Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of excuses, a skit from 8th standard English book. Before that, I request you to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Warming up. First question. Do you come to school on time every day? Answer. Yes. I do come to school on time every day. Very rarely I come late to school. Second question. What do you feel when you are late? Answer. When I come to school late, I feel very sorry. Third question. What action is taken in school on latecomers? Answer. In my school, coming late to school is a major problem. Our physical teachers ask them to make 3 rounds of the school ground or pick up the trash and throw it in the dustbin. These are actions generally taken in school. Next question. Do you give excuses for your late coming? Are they true or fake? Answer. I don't like to give excuses on my late coming. Next question. Why is punctuality so important in life? Answer. Punctual means on time. If the person do his work on time, he will get many opportunities in his life. Punctual person gets respect in the family and society. Being on time shows that the person is a man of word. Enjoy the jokes. A. Teacher. Asif, why are you crawling into the class? Asif, I'm sorry teacher, but yesterday you warned me not to walk into the class late. So next, teacher, Sharwari, are you regularly late to school? Don't you feel ashamed? Why do you come to school so late? Sharwari, I'm sorry madam, but on my way to school there is a road sign that says, go slow, and ma'am, you have instructed us to always follow what road sign says. Can you underline the words in the joke that were used as excuses for late coming? Now discuss within groups and share some simple jokes about teachers and students. Try to write 1 or 2 such jokes in your own words in the above format. Teacher, why are you late? Student, it rained last night. The road was so wet and slippery that for every step I made forward, I slipped backward 2 steps. Next, reported speech. Speech or dialogues can be reported in 2 ways, direct and indirect. When exact words of the speaker are reported, we call it direct speech. When exact words of the speaker are not reported, but just its contents, we call it indirect speech. Direct speech. Amar said, I shall come to meet you tomorrow, Sanket. Indirect speech. Amar told Sanket that he would go to meet him the next day. Note down the changes you observe in the indirect speech. First, reported verb is changed, said to told. Second, inverted commas are removed. Third, change in tense, shall changed in would. Fourth, change in pronoun, I became he and you became him.